Get out of there. Hey, darn flies. Oh, hello. We're here to talk about pop filters today. So anyways, have you ever seen somebody use a microphone like this? And they're all pop, ta, t, p, ta, ah. Everything's just popping and ta, ta. So what you can do to stop that kind of stuff, you can do that in post. You can work a lot and in the EQ and all that kind of stuff. But who wants to actually do that when you can use one of these? It is a pop filter. Pop filters go right in front of your microphone like this. And they work really well and bring in on those T's and those P's and those S's that we seem to over pronunciate at times. So pick up the nearest pop filter, put it over your microphone, and sound professional. It's great for a voiceover, even actually singers, radio show hosts, all these kind of people use pop filters. So get your pop filter. This one's actually a Shure pop filter, and it sure will cut down those pops. And those pops, again, are S's, T's, P's, those things that we say. So again, thank you for watching my video. Get your pop filter, and don't forget to subscribe. Get out. Go on. Jeez, flies are horrible.